Students in Maury High School's gardening club got their hands dirty while getting a first-hand look at how nature works. This unique after-school activity has students learning everything from weeding and planting to working with bees and extracting honey. Although this is a robust garden club, it's the bees that draw the most attention. After spending months tending to the beehives, they pulled the frames where the honey is stored, and 2 weeks later, they extracted it.
So far, we're just extracting honey, getting rid of the top layer of the comb so we can just spin it around, getting the honey to go down the walls, and then we extract it into that, straining the spare parts that got onto it.
So we're extracting the honey from the combs to make honey that we can actually eat and put into bottles to give to people. It's really fun. I love that it's one of the things that we all hold, so it's everywhere near us, and especially when we go to the farmer's market and we see how much it costs, but now we know why.
For students in the club, this was an opportunity for them to discover where food comes from and to give up some of their own time to help cultivate this special garden.
I think it does two things. One, it's giving, again, that value and meaning that they're having an opportunity to give back, and I think that gives a lot of purpose. When you're able to give and you're not necessarily getting anything out of it, because a lot of it is the work, the harvest comes later, but I think that's the second part of it, is that there is a harvest, that they're learning to work for an outcome, and we're making an impact, we're making a change. So it makes me feel tremendous.